This can go for both the men's locker room and the women's locker room. Basically, it's a three-step process. The first process is going to be CSL. You're basically just going to spray the pool down the best you can, top to bottom, going up and down. And now with CSL, you're going to want to always let it sit. It needs to sit between 5 to 10 minutes before you start to wipe it off. As soon as you wipe it off, then you're going to be using water, and then finally we're going to be using a glass cleaner or stainless steel cleaner to kind of put on an extra coat kind of for protection. So we're going to wait that time and we'll be right back. So it's been about 10 minutes. We're just going to go ahead and wipe down the bowl. I always use microfiber towels just because it is kind of a brushed stainless steel. So you're just going to wipe it down as best you can, getting all around. Make sure you get in between the handles, get the handles. Don't forget to spray the handles too. That's one place that a lot of people end up missing. But a lot of dirty hands and stuff touch it, so it gets a lot of buildup. So you just wipe it all the way down to the floor, get all the surfaces possible. Then once you wiped it down, you're going to use a different rag, and you're going to be using ozone water, and you're just going to spray the bowl. And this you don't have to wait, you can immediately start wiping as soon as you finish. This job can also be done with 2 people, so that way it goes a little faster. You can have one person spraying with CSL, and then as soon as that's done, the next person can come through with water. I would only suggest doing one pole. If you're one person, only do one pole. If you have multiple people, you can do as many poles as you have people. Because you don't want to let these CSLs sit on too long, because it actually can potentially cause damage to the stainless steel exterior. So once you wipe it off and it dries a little bit, you're going to want to look around the pool to see if there's any kind of residual watermarks, hard water stains, and you're going to want to spray the CSL again. On this one, at least this pole, looks pretty good for now. Sometimes they drip from underneath the handles here, leaving kind of a streak that goes all the way down. Sometimes the head leaks. We try to get those in as quick as possible, but it all kind of depends on when maintenance is able to come out and shut down the area enough for them to actually get everything fixed. So, since this is looking good, I'm just going to jump straight into the next one with a different rag. We're just going to spray. Currently we're using glass cleaner, but if you have a stainless steel cleaner, that's also an option. And you're just going to spray the pool all the way down. And then again, just repeat the process of wiping it out. Turn the cloth over, make sure you get it really dry, because if you don't, it'll end up leaving streaks behind. Even though this product's not supposed to leave streaks, it does if there's lots of liquid left over. So don't be afraid to use another cloth if you need to, but just try to get it as dry as possible. And I would always suggest working from top to bottom. We've previously cleaned the coolers and this top part in the shower heads, so I didn't spray those this time, but make sure to always check them, because they'll get little rings around the edges here, spots and splashes. People washing their hair will hit these top parts, so make sure to look at these and get these as well. Again, work top to bottom if you can. Makes it a little easier to clean. Other than that, just make sure to look at the walls. If you see that the walls are getting dirty, again, you can use CSL and just water to clean those off. Check soap dispensers.